How to delete Zangi application. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video I'll show you how you can delete Zangi application, and here is how to go about it. The first step is to open up the Zangi application on your device, and then once you've done that, you'll be brought to the home page automatically. So on this page you can see a number of options at the top part of the screen, which includes icons like the chat icon, the call icon, the friends tab, and then the gear icon, which stands for settings. Once you can see this, just click on it. Now, after clicking on the settings page, you will brought to the page where you can see your private number, your profile, and then other options as well. So amongst the options displayed, scroll down and select privacy. Privacy is located under chat. So after selecting privacy, you will go to the privacy page. On this page, you can see some options, which includes passcode, lock, and fingerprint hide conversation, show my online status, show when I'm typing, show scene status, blocked, and then delete account. So just go ahead and click on delete account, and then you'll be asked if you're sure. Say go ahead and click on delete, and then just like that, your account will be deleted. And you must keep in mind that deleting your account will permanently remove all your data, including chats, contacts, and settings. So if you're sure about it, you can proceed with caution. All right, so that is it. Thanks for watching once again, and have a good day.